It's a year ago that I uploaded the first video on Klinken's kitchen. And now there are 50 different inspiring videos that is about food, cooking skills. I've met a lot of wonderful producers that knows how to make artisan food. And yeah, I've also been in my kitchen. Come with me. You can find recipes and tips for how to do your own sourdough rye bread or how to cook an organic hen, do layer cakes and a lot of other stuff. Please go to the playlist and find good tips for home cooking. Some of the videos are also about wine and other drinks. To celebrate the 1 year of this channel, I just made a new playlist with artisan cheeses. I will visit more cheesemakers during the next period and do a lot of other things that can inspire. To support my work, please subscribe in the links below for the channel. Come up with ideas and comments. I hope to see you again. Bye.